Hey guys, what's up? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I don't think I did that intro in my last video. This is vlog 3 of 3. I think I'm only doing 3 vlogs of Chicago. Today's our last day here, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. So I have my hair in these little butterfly clips. I've been loved doing this recently. It's like my favorite thing. But like I have more hair on this side of my head than I do this side, so it's like really awkward. Whatever. I have my Steve Jobs turtleneck or my Dwayne The Rock Johnson, whichever you prefer. And then this is from a thrift store. This is from thrift store. Gucci belt. These pants are from Target, and my shoes are Doc Martens. Let's get on it, ladies and gents. Okay, so we're currently trying to find a place to eat. We're gonna go get like brunch or like lunch or something. I am so tired right now. Like I feel like so out of my, I like just feel so strange. So we ended up getting like lunchy stuff. So what'd you get, Joseph?
I got a turkey club with Caesar salad and a vanilla cold brew. That's the best thing I've ever had.
His is so good. I can't have that because I can't have dairy, but I got a cold brew with soy milk and then a meatball panini, and I'm ready to eat. So we just stopped by the hotel really quick because Joseph had to do something, but we're about to go thrift shopping. We're about to meet up with our friends Hannah and Emmy and go thrift shopping at some cool hip place apparently. So I'm getting ready to spend all my money, even though I already did that, but I'm getting ready to spend more because I have no self-control.
It's spring break, you should splurge.
Yeah, but I should also be smart. Because I always splurge. Like I constantly splurge. Like I never save my money. I'm so sorry. Hi, okay, so we didn't end up going to the thrift shop because our train,
There was a fire on the
there was a fire on the track, so they had to stop all the trains. So we're going to the Art Institute right now. And we're gonna meet up with them later to go thrift shopping. But I'm really sad, but we'll see them later, so it'll be fine. But I'm so happy right now. It's around 6 o'clock now. We just finished at the art museum. Well, we didn't really finish. We didn't see everything because it's really big and yeah, but it was just absolutely incredible, like amazing. Like I got teary-eyed. Like I almost cried.
My heart started beating faster when I saw the Seurat that's in Ferris Bueller, like the really big one on the wall, and I made Maddie take like a test. That's the only time I was like really gonna make her take pictures of me, was that I needed one in front of that painting to recreate the scene from the movie, and my middle school heart is so happy right now.
Oh my gosh, my heart is so full. Wow. Ah! But yeah, that was incredible. It was great. That was like one of my favorite things so far is doing that because I can't even put it into words. Okay, so now we're going to
Devil Dogs.
We're going to Devil Dogs with Hannah and Emmy and I don't know if we're going thrift shopping anymore, which is kind of sad because, you know, I love buying things and clothes.
We can leave an extra hour early and stop at the thrift shop on the way.
Yeah, like it's gonna be.
How about that?
Yeah, we'll find some random thrift store in the middle of Indiana.
That sounds great to me.
No, they won't have any good clothes. Anyway, but yeah, we're gonna go eat with them. Then I don't know what we're doing after that. But I'll keep you updated because this is a vlog, and that's what you do in a vlog. It's quite windy. We're walking quite windy here in the Windy City, as one would guess by the name.
Right, but then the moment that they're not is when you can't come home.
That's allowed.
Maddie's drinking more lactose.
Not good.
I'd like to update everyone that I immediately regret my decision of drinking that milkshake. I'll update you on my my bowel issues later on in the video. Updates to come. Okay, so we're going to Navy Pier right now, and I just did something really dumb. Would you like to share, Hannah?
Venture passes, and the woman, when Mattie was trying to get on the bus, the woman said, "Tap your card," and Mattie goes.
You have to, for reference, you have to tap it just literally on this little pad, and then it'll zap the money out of it, like magic.
But I went.
She just sat there hitting our card with her finger, like a coin was gonna fall out of it.
I mean, I'm all for it. Did you hear my?
Yeah, get in the loop. Time to get in the loop. Ah! It's so windy. What is this? I'm confused what loops are. What do you do?
It plays a flip flop when you ride it.
When you ride it?
Yeah, or when you crank it. Watch.
Whoa!
You sit on it. Watch out.
And you go back
Sit on it.
You do.
Wait, I want to get on
Sit
it
on
with
it,
you.
Joseph.
Yeah, do it. Ready?
Which way are we going first?
That's.
Whoa! That was sick.
But if you do test the soul of the soul, and I'm so good. That was so bad. Drink to thee, with a lost sailing boat. We'll drink to thee, drink to thee.
I'm true. It's seriously like all of these buildings are filled with people, and I'm one person, and I don't matter to the world's like all. It's just I'm so insignificant, and there's so many people. This is so pretty.
I know.
And you know what's prettier? You guys.
Thanks, Mattie. She was looking at the.
you hear that? They're in the kitchen.
You gotta get it slow and but it's slow. Oh, not that one. I was talking about a sad, happy song.
Sure sounds exciting, always inviting. Still I think I'm gonna keep another tender Tennessee Christmas. Bring it home now. The only Christmas for me. Pull your phones, folks. Where the love circles around us, like the gifts around our tree. Well, there's no snow up in Colorado, and my roof will ever see. But tender Tennessee Christmas is the only Christmas. You can do Christmas for me.
Hi everyone. So we're walking back to our hotel right now. It's been an emotional night. I had to leave my friends that love me so much, and I love them so much. And also, I'm just really sad because people don't have homes.
A homeless man asked us for money. And he was screaming, chasing us down, asking for money in a very sketchy manner.
But he asked me, and I said, I'm sorry, I don't have any cash. And he said, thank you for acknowledging me. He just wants... And then Joseph told me I've cried about this 3 times already.
This is the 3rd time she's cried about homelessness on this video. She's got a big heart.
I just started. It just makes me so sad. Okay, I'll see you inside. Okay, I'm gonna close out the vlog here. I'm getting ready for bed. But this trip has just been incredible, to say the least. And I'm gonna cry. Well, I'm not gonna cry. I've cried way too much today. It's fine. Yeah. It's been a great time. I hope you enjoyed watching these videos. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you...
We still got a road trip to film tomorrow. Don't say they're done.
We're not filming the road trip back.
It's gonna be so exciting. Maddie's gonna sleep
I'll
for
sleep.
most of it.
Yeah, it'll be great.
And I'll play my music quietly in an attempt not to wake her up because I care about her oh so very much.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, but it's been awesome. And if you want to see more of my videos, subscribe. Also, thanks so much to like my new subscribers that I've gotten. Ew, I found like such a but really seriously though, like just people who have like just come like subscribe to me. Like I just got like 3 notifications just in the past hour, so I don't know. I know that's not a lot, but like it is to me. Like that's 3 whole people. So yeah, thanks so much, and follow me on my social medias. My Instagram, this is what it looks like, and look out for some Chicago posts, I guess. Actually, no, these will be this video will be posted way after I post those pictures. So
go scroll back in her feed and find all of the the 6 Chicago posts and see me tagged in them, and then also notice that my account is private because I'm a pansy.
Yeah, I love when old men follow me and ask for feet pics.
Yeah, has that happened?
Many times, yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, actually, no. The old men don't ask for feet pics. It's
but
like
there are old men, and there are people asking for feet pics.
Yeah, the feet pics guys are like Middle Eastern, like middle-aged men.
Gotcha.
And then the old men are like, hey, just got a divorce, want to be my girlfriend? Okay, this is the end of the video now. I'm leaving. Please enjoy my little outro thing, and you can click on the video that says to watch the next video. Yeah, okay. I love you so much. Bye!